when you join a company, you should know where the company is going. Kwento lang po ako, no? One day, merong lasing. May nagtanong dun sa lasing. Sabi niya, Brad, saan ba yung bahay nila Mang Doming ito? Sabi nung lasing, kung dadaan ka rito, you turn ka ng left, makakita ka ng halaman, turn ka ng left, papunta doon. If you go to right, dito sa right, diretso ka, may gripo, kanan ka uli, nandun yung bahay, sabi nung lasing. Pero kung dadaan ka rito, eto ang bahay. Sabi nung iba, ano daw, that's a joke. Okay? The point of the matter is, when you join a business, you should know where the company is going so that you won't be wasting time. Okay? So, good evening to all the VIPs. I have a different background when Atomy was introduced to me. Okay? Can we see it on the screen? I joined Atomy in 2016. I am a member of the uniform service, particularly the Bureau of Jail Management and Technology. I entered the service in 1994. So kung merong pinanganak na 1994 po dito, 1-year-old ka pa lang, I'm already serving the government. I served administrative and operational jobs in our bureau, and I became a warden. Warden, somebody who managed the jail. Okay? I hope you won't be ending up there in jail. Okay? So in 2016, okay. In 2016, Atomy was introduced to me, and even when I was in service, nagtatrabaho pa po ako, I already am introducing Atomy. As you can see in the picture, I'm in uniform, but I am introducing Atomy products. The worst case that I introduced Atomy products when I was going to the office and I'm carrying sanitary napkin while I was in uniform. I was I have a sanitary napkin help day to deliver to my office mates. And when I challenged my first sales mastership in 2016, I am used to be the MC during one-day seminar. I started in our office. I started from the lowest rank, and in Atomy, I also started from the first mastership, being an MC. And then, oops, later on, in February 2023, after challenging Diamond Master, actually, what I still remember is I challenged Diamond Master twice. And then in few months' time, I challenged again Sharon Rose Master. Okay? After that challenge, a year after, we were awarded by the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines together with Sharon Rose Master Rent, Mr. and Mrs. Magsingit. They received the award of Entrepreneurship Award, while me, I received the Sales Achiever Award. Okay. I also joined many travels. As far as I can recall, I traveled 5 times to Korea, twice in Taiwan, and the latest of which is the Jeju Island tour. Yan, tama yung sabi ni Ma'am Dina. If you challenge, you might be qualified sa mga tours. Okay. So, the vision is this. If you want to earn a stable income in Atomy, this is my talk for tonight. You want to go from your place to the place where you want. You want to earn income, right? Here is my advice. Understand the system, invest effort, and then look at your roadmap. Where are you headed? Okay, let me discuss it one by one. Understand the concept of networking. Okay? We need business partners and consumers. Kailangan po maintindihan ninyo na yung Atomy, you cannot do it alone. You need somebody with you with the same mindset. And this is where what I love about doing Atomy, because you are working with people with the same mindset, walang competition. Okay? Okay? If you are that person and you found a person on the left and on the right, they are not your competitors. You help them. You educate them so that their group will grow, because their success is your success. You don't compete with each other. Sad to say, when I was working in the government, for every promotion, you are competing with your co-employee. And sad reality, even if you are qualified, if that person has a connection, he will be promoted first than you, even if you are qualified. In Atomy, the case is not the same. If the person under you is getting successful, you should be happy, because that way you are also benefiting from that person. You should know the concept. Networking is interconnected people with the same mindset, with the same aspiration as you. Kailangan po maintindihan yun. And we don't need higher profession. We are equal in Atomy. Don't tell me you are a college graduate, you are a high school graduate. As long as you found the right people, you follow the system, it's inevitable. You will earn in Atomy. No profession needed. Teamwork is evident. You have to work with your team. And then the income potential, Ma'am Dina already discussed. You can receive as high as 50 million, 40 million. As long as you stay there and you do it. You need to understand the concept of networking, especially in Atomy. Is there something to lose? When you sign up, it's free, right? If you don't do it, you don't lose anything, because when you started, it was free. Ano bang nawala sa'yo nung hindi mo siya ginawa? Wala. Kasi nung nag-sign up ka, free. Pero mas malaki yung mangyayari sa'yo na benefit kung gagawin mo siya. If you advertise, if you share, spread awareness, and information dissemination. Spread information. You talk to people, you meet people. Just follow the system and you will go places. Okay? Nag-invest ako. Hindi ko siya ginawa like in other companies. Merong 5 heads, 7 heads. They paid registration fee, kinukuha nila yung commission mo dun sa nag-sign up sa baba. When people stop to sign up paying the membership fee, your income stops. Not so with Atomy. Because when people sign up, free. Paano ka kikita sa registration fee? Sa Atomy, hindi ka po kikita sa registration fee because it's free. The income comes from the sale of products. And people do not stop brushing their teeth. Right? Do you believe that? Sino po ang di nagtoothbrush ngayong gabi? See, nagtoothbrush kayong lahat. If you change your brand, points come in, PBs come in, and they are converted into commission. You have to understand the system. That's number one. Okay. A good relationship with what Ma'am Dina mentioned. Do you know, this is an eye-opener, that the Philippines has the second worst pension system globally. This is from Inquirer. Tanong, when we grow old, will we have savings? Do you have a retirement pay? Kayo po, wala. Ako meron. Because I retired working from the government for 25 years. I'm receiving my pension now. Then why do I do Atomy? Because 5 years from now, 10 years from now, my pension is not enough because of inflation. Ang Dina said. And this is a report from Inquirer. Tanong, sino pong nagpe-pension sa inyo? 10 years from now, hindi na kasya niyan. There are 44 countries. We are on the 43rd. Angat lang tayo ng konti sa Thailand. Worst retirement pay in Asia, in global. Okay? That's why you need to do Atomy. Another. Okay. Can we earn in Atomy? Yes. According to a writer, there are 25 in-demand products in the Philippines. Cell phone, gadgets are the top saleable ones. But look at this. Beauty products, skincare, cosmetics, all of these products we have in Atomy. So these are in-demand products. Chances are, if you tell people, if you have many consumers, chances are they will buy because these are saleable products. Just find the right consumers and the right partners. Okay. Next. As I've said earlier, you should understand how the system works and then invest effort. I was able to visit Davao Imperial Center. We we kept on inviting people, telling people, spreading awareness. Now, in doing Atomy, you should think like an entrepreneur, not an employee. Ano po yung pagkakaiba ng business person sa employee? Ang empleyado hindi pumapasok ng Sabado, Linggo or holidays, right? It's normal. They work 8 p.m. to 5 p.m. Uwi na ng 5 p.m. If you are a business person, even holidays, you do Atomy. It's no matter if it's 8 hours or you do it 2 hours. The thing is, you don't stop doing it because you're not an employee. You are an entrepreneur. Nagigets niyo po? Yung empleyado, sad to say, kapag holiday, utusan mo na magtrabaho, hindi yan susunod. Bakit holiday eh? Pag 5 o'clock na, gusto mo pang patapusin ng report, hindi na uwi na, 5 o'clock na yan. But in Atomy, as long as there are people who wanted to know, there is no holiday. You tell them. You show them the plan. You invite them. You tell them to use the product. You tell them about the 8 steps to success. You counsel them, and then you find good fits. You are not an employee. You are an entrepreneur. You don't have a boss, but you are a business owner. Think to be an entrepreneur, not an employee. Okay? Number 2, treat it as a business, not a hobby. What the skills to do it. Of course, when you are first time, hindi nyo po gaano alam, di ba? Yung pasikot-sikot sa Atomy. That's why you need to learn. Treat it as a business. You are a business person, not a hobby. Yung iba kasi, I observe when they are happy, when they are enjoying the company of others, but no output, that's not how to do it. Treat it as a business. Kapag business owner ka, you think of ways how you can attract consumers, right? Wala pong business ang walang consumer kumikita. I don't think so. I have said this before. Kahit doktor ka, kung wala kang pasyente, you don't earn. Jeepney driver ka, wala kang pasahero, you don't earn. May tindahan ka, sari-sari store, wala namang bumibili, walang kita. Right? Atomy member ka, you have a business online, but nobody buys in the website, you're treating it as a hobby and not a business, therefore income is very low. PV are few because you are treating it as a game and then acquire the skills needed. What do I mean? Most of the time I hear this, Sir, paano ko naman gagawin si Atomy? I can talk in front, then find somebody who can. Sir, hindi ako marunong mag-product intro. Then you learn. You learn the benefits of the product. Try to present because it's your business. Do not depend on your sponsor because you own a business. Then acquire the skills needed. Atomy is not only talking. It's not only, being a speaker in front. There are those who are gifted in sales. I have said this before. I love to have that gift. The gift of selling. Although Atomy is not selling, but
If you convince people easily, then you have that gift. Others invite easily. They invite to the center. They invite to one-day seminar. Ang dali nila mag-invite. Bakit kami doon? Hirap na hirap kami. We done 12 STP. Only 3 consumers. In Mindanao, 3 STPs. There are 12 consumers. It's different in Luzon, right? Nagigot niyo po yung sinabi ko? Nag-present ka ng STP, tatlo. 12 times ka nag-present. Ang consumer, tatlo lang. Sa Mindanao, tatlong beses ka lang nag-show the plan, nag-orient. 12 ang mga leaders or 12 ang mga consumers. It's different here. Take that opportunity. Treat it as a business and not a hobby. Wire the skills needed. How you think will determine how much you earn. Paano ka po mag-isip will determine gaano kalaking kita mo. Have you encountered members na sabi nila, mahirap gawin yan. That's why they don't earn. Hindi pa nila naintindihan, hindi pa nila nauumpisahan, mahirap na daw. It's how they think. Kung paano ka mag-isip, ganun din kalaki ang pwede mong kitain. Kung negative ka, palamang wala kang kitain. Pero look at some situation of leaders. Pag scam, ang daling mag-invest. Why is that? Di ba? No joke. I'll cite an example. Tapa. Have you heard of Tapa? It's not a secret issue. It's in the news. Hindi po ako naninira. I just read it in the news. Bigay ka ng pera, merong interest every month. And then, the company, nawala, na-scam. People love sometimes easy money, overnight millionaire. In Atomy, you have to work. Kaya nga maraming sometimes hindi nag-join kasi tatrabahuin mo yan. Gusto ko yung walang ginagawa. That's why most people are scammed. Because there is no such thing as easy money, one-day millionaire. Kikita siguro mga first few months and then later on, talo ka pa rin. Sir, meron lang kumita, tumaya sa loto eh. Yes, it may be true. But after how many years, nawala na yung kita, yung pinalanunan, meron pang utang kasi nabenta yung bahay, nabenta yung sasakyan. How you think? If you think Atomy is not good for you, well, that's the reason why hindi ka nakikita. Because you have this negative mindset. Okay. Next, entrepreneur think of making other lives better. I visited Coronadal. I visited Esperanza. We had an STP in Jensan. We just want to inspire people. Did I earn right away? Hindi po. Because we are building consumers. We are planting seeds. When you plant seeds, it doesn't grow right away. Kahit po yung nag-invest sa Jollibee na 30 million, there is this thing that we call return of investment, right? Do you think nag-invest ka ngayon, after a month, you can recover your ROI, return of investments? Nag-invest ka ng 7-Eleven, nag-franchise ka ng McDonald's. Do you think after a month, balik na yung pera mo? It takes time. Legal na business, it will earn, but it takes time. How much more in Atomy? There is no investment. You just plant and plant and plant. And later on, if you found the right people, you will surely earn. Entrepreneurs think of inspiring others, putting value. If you were able to tell somebody na may sakit, na cancer, and you recommended the product, and that person is getting better, wala naman pong kita kaagad dun eh. Bumili pa lang siya sa website. But the feeling is great when you tell somebody na merong sakit, we have functional food, they are supplements which functions as medicines, at nasabihan mo yung tao at gumaling siya, ang sarap sa pakiramdam because you added value to our products, added value to that person. When you wanted to help others, you keep on orienting, telling them, spreading awareness.
Money does not come right away. But after that, if they believe and they did the business, then through the business, became business partner, that's where the income comes in. Okay? What level of commission do you want? Here's the thing. So you understood how Atomy works. You invested income. I will not discuss more about this. Choose the income level you want. But income level is dependent on the effort that you will be putting into Atomy. Do you believe that? Kung gusto mo po yung 40 million, 40 million din yung katapat na hard work. Whatever you do today, you are changing your future. Do you believe that? Okay. You failed in the past. There's nothing you can do about the past. You wanted to change the future. The only way to change the future is do something during the present time, today. Whatever effort you do today, it will translate to income tomorrow. Choose whatever commission you want. You want to become an auto sales master, you want to receive 40,000, 80,000, 150,000, all the mastership bonus. That will depend on what you do today. Kung wala kang ginawa, ako na po magsasabi sa'yo, walang income yan. Wala ka namang ginawa sa present time eh. Konti lang yung time mo, I assure you, konti lang yung commission mo. Pero, quality time, yung in-invest mo, you keep on finding these people, I assure you there will be income in the future. Where is your direction going for doing Atomy? Okay? Whatever you do today will be, you will see the results tomorrow. Ang ganda, no? You cannot change. Wala ka pa tayo dun. Do you know what will happen next year? We don't know. How will you know if you will earn? Do something today. Ay, sir, medyo alanganin na ako dyan kasi I lost in the past. You cannot do anything about the past. If you will dwell on the past, you will just stay there. Go out of your comfort zone. Do something today and change your future. You want to earn a specific income, then do something today. Be sure when you set a goal, a direction, give yourself a time frame. When do you want to achieve that? Every goal has to have a timetable, a date. That's why sometimes I get sad when I hear, Diyos na yung bahala. If God is willing. Kailan nga? I want to be sales master if God is willing. You know that. Can you ask God, when is that? Can you not say to God, Lord, I want to be sales master next month? Ayun. I want to be diamond master in 2025. Lord, please bless me. Pati ang Panginoon, bibigyan mo pa ng problema, kailan ka magiging diamond master? Ang daming iniisip ng Panginoon. How many members are there in Atomy? 115 15 million consumers and members. If all of this will pray, Lord, bahala ka na. Gusto kong maging Sharon Rose, bahala ka na, Lord. Binigyan mo pa, meron ka pang taga-record ng schedule kailan. You plan, you set a date, and pray to the Lord. That's it. When we took the challenge during my pastorship, we planned February, and then you know the good thing that happened because there was nobody taking the challenge at that time. Ako lang. This is how teamwork is evident in Atomy. Lahat ng brother line, lahat ng leaders, they supported, they put TVs. Because I planted the seed before, I helped them, and when I needed help, they helped. That's Atomy. Sa Atomy. Pag sa ibang company ka, yung pinakamataas lang, yun ang kumikita. Sila lang ang nasa kanilang lahat, kumikita, ikaw naiiwan na. And then later on, you are frustrated. Study more about the company and uh, working with these people with the same mindset is very rewarding. I tell you, it's not income first. Keep on doing the system and you will get rewards. Okay, I will end in this. The action you take today will determine the stories you will tell tomorrow. Kung ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon, you will tell the story later on. And finally, for those who are earning already, let me give you this. Please do not forget. This is one thing I love Atomy. It's a business, but sometimes biblical principles are injected. Kung minsan nakakalimot tayo, there is revival, we are always reminded of the Almighty. If you are earning, please don't forget the Lord, because it is He who gives you power to get wealth. Baka yung mayaman na po tayo, nakakalimutan na natin siya. That's not the proper way to do it. And if you are earning, remember who is He who gave you power to get wealth. And that's the Lord. Sharon Rose Master, Nigel Arellano, thank you very much and good evening po sa inyo lahat.